Welcome to the Blueprint of Justice, a video exploring the essential role of forensic science in crime investigation. We will delve into how science uncovers the truth to support the pursuit of justice. Forensic science bridges the gap between the legal sphere and the scientific method. It applies strict scientific principles to legal matters, ensuring that criminal investigations and judicial decisions are based on empirical truth. The journey from chaos to conviction follows a five-stage methodology. It starts with scene investigation and analysis, moves to collection and preservation, then laboratory analysis, reconstruction of crimes, and concludes with expert witness testimony. Decrypting the environment begins with a detailed examination of the crime location. Professionals precisely distinguish, record, and collect tangible evidence to re-establish the pattern of circumstances surrounding the wrongdoing. Protecting the integrity of the truth is paramount. Evidence must be secured from the crime scene to the judicial chamber. Meticulous methodologies prevent contamination and degradation, ensuring sincerity for legal demonstration. The laboratory ecosystem includes intensive analysis using specialized fields such as DNA profiling, ballistics, toxicology, digital forensics, fingerprint analysis, and forensic anthropology. Forensic analytical modalities like fingerprint analysis, DNA profiling, and toxicology provide influential connections between identities, establish links between suspects and victims, and perceive the occurrence of drugs or toxins. Criminal operations increasingly leave behind electronic footprints. Digital forensic specialists use cutting-edge tools to extract, examine, and analyze the complex web of data left by contemporary offenders. Decoding the physics of firearms is done through ballistics assessment. This requires diligent investigation of bullets and cartridge casings to untangle the confidence of firearms-related events and facilitate a comprehensive perception of the scene. Forensic anthropology concentrates on human residue, especially in cases of extreme deterioration. Specialists examine skeletal remains to recognize victims and establish the scenarios of their demise by analyzing bone density and trauma. Developing a logical narrative combines proof, physical investigation, and scientific guidelines. This enables law enforcement to understand the crime's mechanisms, the roles of those involved, and possible objectives, leading to a reconstructed criminal scenario. Expert witnesses translate complex science for the judiciary. Equipped with profound knowledge, they simplify scientific perceptions, bridging the gap between forensic investigations and those rendering judgment to facilitate equitable and well-informed opinions. Maturing processes are revitalizing cold cases, offering opportunities to solve enigmas that have confounded jurisdictions for years. Modern forensic science can re-examine dormant scenarios to bring a re-emergence of consciousness to old files. Forensic evidence has a dual role. It directs investigations, uncovering mechanisms, and tracking suspects. It also provisions judges, providing absolute information for secure decisions and ensuring ultimate accountability. The future path of crime solving relies on continuous education, specialized training, and a commitment to empirical truth through highly developed scientific methodologies. Specialized degrees support the pursuit of justice.